Good afternoon, and here's your special Modern Wall Street afternoon wake-up call or lunchtime call, whatever you wish to call it, because U.S. stock index futures, they dove early this Thursday morning after an address from President Donald Trump failed to ease concerns over the possible economic slowdown from the coronavirus. Stock futures tanking, even hitting a limit down halt after President Donald Trump's speech. Futures on the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, and NASDAQ all traded at the so-called limit down threshold as they were off by 5% before the opening bell. Futures, they were implying a loss of more than 1,100 points at the open. Now, exchanges halt trading of futures contracts if they drop by more than 5%, acting as a floor for regular selling until regular trading resumes at the opening bell at 9:30 in the morning. Now, after stocks open in regular trading, the S&P 500 must drop by 7% before triggering the New York Stock Exchange's circuit breaker, which halts trading temporarily. And we saw history today, this Thursday, as it marked the second time this week that exchanges were forced to halt futures trading prior to the market open. Futures hit a similar limit down prior to the opening of normal trade on Monday morning. And then right after the opening bell, the S&P 500 hitting the New York Stock Exchange's 7% circuit breaker, and the Dow Jones falling more than 2% intraday. Again, history made, 2 trading halts, 2 circuit breakers in 1 week. Now, on Wednesday, the Dow Jones ended its historic 11-year bull market run by closing in bear market territory. A bear market marks a 20% decline from all-time highs. And in his address, President Donald Trump announced travel from Europe will be suspended for 30 days as part of the government's response to the coronavirus outbreak. President Trump also said the administration would provide financial relief for workers who are sick or ill, caring for others due to the virus, or are quarantined. Also causing concern, the announcement that the National Basketball Association, the NBA, suspending its season after the Utah Jazz player Rudy Gobert tested positive for coronavirus, and movie actor Tom Hanks and his wife Rita Wilson also saying they tested positive for the coronavirus. Investors continuing to blame the spread and economic impact of the coronavirus for last month's steep losses. The virus, which has now infected more than 124,000 people worldwide and killed at least 4,589, threatens to disrupt countries like Italy that have taken aggressive action to slow its spread. And lastly, some advice: keep washing those hands, everybody.